Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park flight field. We're going to take up the Arrow's Bigfoot. Get it turned around here. I'm going to try shooting in the wide angle of the camera, the GoPro. Taking up the Bigfoot here. I'm running a China Hobby 2200 3-cell in her right now. I want to say it has a 60C discharge, I believe. And
time remaining 5 minutes.
Got a wind off to the east here, so, and this field doesn't exactly fit or run completely east to west. It's more of a southwest northeast sort of running. So well, that's fun right there. People say you don't have a, I used to think this thing didn't have enough power, but it does. It has plenty of power. The Bigfoot's got plenty of power. It does. It has plenty of power. Little touch and go there.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
But yeah, this plane's got plenty of power. Do a nice coordinated turn there. Kill the throttle a little bit. Well, I'm going with the wind, so. All right. See if we can't get her to land now. A little bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Let's get her turned around here. Staying on that rudder. Now, I don't know, those of you who can do a little bit of research can tell me exactly the type of Cessna this is supposed to be modeled after, because I really don't know. I want to say maybe a 152 maybe. I honestly don't know. So I'm going to rely on y'all to tell me what kind of Cessna it's modeled after. All right. A little bit, sorry, I gotta look away here for a second. A little bit better of a landing there. Let's get turned around. All right. Whoa, I'm going crazy. But that's okay. This is just such a solid little plane. I'll tell you, it really is. If I had a gyro in this thing with stabilization, oh my gosh, I can just imagine how locked in she would be. All right. Let's try taking off one more. This time we're going to turn, go towards the east, which is the way the sun's going. We're going to use takeoff flaps. Staying on that rudder. Sorry if I seem a little jerky. I'm just a little nervous right now. I'm going to be mating a new plane here in just a second, and so
Time remaining 2 minutes.
that always makes me a little bit nervous. All right. Okay, folks, there it is. That is the Arrows Bigfoot, or Mr. Scrappy, as I like to refer to him as, because he's got nothing but attitude. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. All right, folks, thank you for watching. That is the Arrows Bigfoot. I'm Fat Guy Flies RC. We're at the Avon Park Flight Field. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.